So hey nerds, this is Suman and this is our today's integral. And the integral contains the algebraic term and the exponential term, and it is raised to the power 2 and it is disrespect to some x with some dx. So the first that we have to open the whole square term, and we got it is x squared plus 2x e to the x plus e to the 2x with some disrespect to dx. So let's just separate this integral because it looks very much non-intuitive, and it is x e to the x dx plus integral e to the 2x dx. So now we know that we know how to compute this easily. So we can actually compute it very much easily as x to the 3 over 3 plus e to the 2x over 2. But we are interested in this term. So how are we going to get its integration? We just use this idea, that is the differentiation of this x is 1 and 0, and it is e to the x, again it is e to the x. So it means that you have to differentiate x up to when it becomes 0, and you have to integrate the exponential term up to where x is 0. So now you have to multiply diagonally, and this is going to be plus and this is going to be minus. So you basically got x e to the x plus x e to the x minus e to the x with some constant c. So up to there, bye bye.